In this video, we are going to discuss about all the necessary actions to be performed before we upgrade BCM to the new version. We should begin this activity with the backup of BCM database and BCM installation directory on the master server. It's also good to take the snapshot of database and master both. If we use the OS deployment module, then it's important to take the backup of OS deployment directory on the OSD manager. Before we take any backup, we must stop the BCM service on the master server. So I'm going to stop the service on my master. Now go to the database, select BCM database, right click on it, select task and take a backup of it. Once this is done, we need to take the backup of client management directory on the master server. So go to the installation directory on the master, make a copy of this folder and put it in the backup directory. Now, as mentioned in the slide, if we use the OS deployment module, then we must take a backup of OS deployment directory on the OSD manager device. If the master server itself plays the role of OSD manager, then we do not need to take a separate backup of that directory because it is already a part of this master directory that we have taken the backup of. But if we use another device as the OSD manager, then the separate backup is needed. To do that, go to your OSD manager device, stop the BCM service on it, go to the installation directory. Instead of master, there will be a client directory. Select data folder and take a backup of this OS deployment directory. Now we can start the service on OSD manager. Once all the backup is taken, we'll now start the BCM service on master server and log into the console. It is recommended to clean up the upgrade rules and packages that were created from the old upgrade. But before we delete them, we must unassign the devices or device groups that are assigned to these rules and packages. To do that, go to Operational Rules node. There are these two folders called Client Management One-Off and Client Management Upgrade, which contains the rules for one-off and upgrade packages. Now I'm going to check if any devices or device groups are assigned to these rules and unassign them. So I have this one device assigned to this rule, which I'm going to unassign. Right click and unassign device. And now we are good to delete these rules. Make sure we are not deleting the folder but the contents inside the folder. Because if we delete the folder, the rules and packages will still be present under lost and found objects and they would need to be deleted from there. So to delete the contents, select all the contents from here, right click and delete them. We are going to follow the same for client management upgrade rules. We'll verify if any devices or device groups assigned to them and unassign it. So I have these two devices assigned here. I will select them, right click and unassign. And now delete the rules. We also need to delete the corresponding packages of these rules. To do that, go to the packages node, select Client Management One-Off folder, verify if anything is assigned to these packages. As I do not have anything assigned to them, we are good to delete these packages. Select all the packages, right click and delete. We'll do the same thing for upgrade packages as well. Now these packages should also be deleted from master's package factory. To do that, select package factory node. If you see your master server here, expand its node, select custom packages and delete the packages from one-off and upgrade directory. Select all the packages, right click and delete. We'll also delete the upgrade packages. If we do not have master server as the package factory, then we can add it as a package factory, delete these packages, and then we can remove master from the package factory. The next thing is the cleanup of lost and found objects under global settings. If we run into any issues while deleting these objects, the mentioned knowledge article will help fixing that. To delete the lost and found objects, go to global settings, select lost and found node, and delete every object if we have any here. And now we are good to go for the upgrade process. Thank you.